Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can withdraw money from Etoro to a bank account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, visit the Etoro website and log in to your trading account here. Find the withdrawal section on the Etoro platform. This is usually located within your account or wallet settings. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Etoro account. Select the bank account to which you want to withdraw funds. Ensure that the bank account is linked and verified. Etoro may require additional verification steps to confirm your identity. Follow the prompts to complete any necessary verification before finalizing the withdrawal. Review the details to ensure accuracy, including the withdrawal amount and bank account information. Confirm the withdrawal to initiate the process. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Etoro to a bank account. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.